In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Origin protocol from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet, and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your Ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, so let's start. On the left side, I have Kraken open in Chrome. And on the right side, I have the Ledger Live software open. Plus, in the camera, as you can see, I have my Ledger connected and unlocked, ready to go. So we're gonna withdraw Origin protocol from Kraken and transfer it to the Ledger Live. So the symbol is OGN. So Origin protocol, if I click on it, it says Ethereum. So I'm just gonna erase this old address to show you how it's done from scratch. Okay, so when I get here, I want to add a withdrawal address. So I'm gonna go back to Ledger Live under accounts, click on Ethereum since it's an Ethereum token. Click on receive, continue. My Ledger is asking me, it's prompting me to open the Ethereum app. So I'll open the Ethereum app. Okay, I have the address. I'm gonna copy it, add it here. So withdrawal address, and I'm gonna call it Ledger OGN. And since it's a token, I'll put Ethereum. The more information you put here, the better. Those are just hints for you to know where you transferred them. So I'm gonna click add withdraw, continue. So now I have to confirm it by email. It's this one here. This one. Click confirm. Okay, the address was approved, so I can send the whole amount. I'm gonna click on the purple number, click review, validate the info. So it's the OGN token. That's the amount. Those are the fees. A little bit high, but normal, I guess, for now. The network is Ethereum, and the address is 3BED, 3BED. Yeah, that's good. So confirm. So I'm just gonna close the right screen by verifying the address. Click done. Close this and close this. Okay, so as you can see, the Origin token has arrived to the destination, and now it's time to send it back to the exchange. So if you're on my Ledger tab or in the portfolio tab, all you have to do is click on accounts, and then under Ethereum, click on show tokens. and then select the origin token, and then click deposit on the exchange side in Kraken. So OGN. So on that side, it's called origin token. On this side, it's called origin protocol, but it's the same symbol. So I'm going to copy the address now and then click send on Ledger Live, paste the address, continue. I'm going to select send max. I'm going to select fast as well and continue. Oh, also notice that it's using Ethereum as a network fee or gas fee. So just another hint, whenever you're transferring tokens back to the exchange, always send the parent coin like Ethereum or Solana at the end. So do all the tokens first and then the Ethereum or Solana or any other network that supports tokens at the end. So continue. It's going to ask us to confirm the transaction on the Ledger device. So it's asking me to open the Ethereum. I'm going to press both buttons to open it. And now I'm going to press right to review the transaction. So it's from, the amount is fine, to. The to looks good. Max fees, sign transaction. I can close this. I can close this. And on Kraken, I'm going to click on the activity tab. We should see the transaction coming in any second now. All right. So here's the deposit transaction. It's still pending, but it was successful. If you're seeing it in the pending transactions, it's already a good sign. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.